Welcome to your morning manifestation magic routine, a powerful way to set the tone for a positive and abundant day ahead. Let's begin by finding a comfortable, quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Good morning and welcome. I'm here to guide you through a transformative morning routine that will uplift your energy and manifest your desires. Let's dive in. Sparkling morning dew on leaves. We'll start with some deep breaths. Inhale deeply, filling your lungs with positivity, and exhale any tension or negativity. Feel yourself becoming more present with each breath. Now, take a moment to write down 3 things you're grateful for. Gratitude is a powerful magnet for abundance. Visuals of affirmations and gratitude. As you write, repeat these affirmations silently or out loud. I am deserving of all the good that comes my way. I attract positivity and abundance into my life. I am open to receive all the wonderful opportunities the universe has in store for me. Next, let's create a mental vision board. Close your eyes and visualize your ideal day. Imagine yourself succeeding, feeling joyful, and surrounded by love and opportunities. Vision board imagery. See yourself confidently moving through your day, achieving your goals, and spreading positivity to those around you. Hold a crystal or a cherished object in your hand. Feel its energy and let it amplify your intentions. Nature's scenes with vibrant colors. Now, let's set our intentions for the day. Repeat after me. I am open to receiving abundance in all forms. I attract opportunities that align with my highest good. I radiate positivity and attract positive people and experiences. In a yoga pose. To awaken your body and mind, let's do a few gentle stretches. As you move, visualize any lingering doubts or worries leaving your body. Post meditating in a serene space. Find a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes and take a few moments to meditate. Imagine yourself surrounded by a beautiful, protective light. Feel a sense of calm and clarity washing over you. With a bright smile, you've completed your morning manifestation magic routine. By practicing these affirmations, visualizations, and positive intentions daily, you're setting the stage for a day filled with abundance and positivity. Amidst nature's beauty. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, you have the power to create your reality. Embrace this practice each morning and watch the magic unfold in your life. Have a wonderful and manifest-filled day. Practice this routine daily for consistent results. To experience the full benefits, make morning manifestation magic a part of your daily routine. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to join us every morning for a transformative start to your day.